If you're tired of your regular spaghetti, skip your regular spaghetti. Come, let me show you how you can make fresh carrots and green pepper spaghetti. Sweet, delicious, lovely, tasty, flavorful, rich, and healthy spaghetti. Come, let's go. Start by putting your spaghetti in the water. Cover it, allow it to boil until soft. For today's recipe, we are using 1 green hot pepper. Cut your green hot pepper into tiny pieces. And we are using 2 carrots for today's recipe. Here I'm peeling the carrots. And this is the second carrot. And we are using 1 large green pepper for today's recipe. You need to shred your green pepper. Yes, shred your green pepper with a grater and make sure it's well shredded. Empty it in a bowl. Shred your carrots as well. Checking on our spaghetti and it's boiling nice. Still checking on our spaghetti. So now empty the shredded carrot in a bowl. I'll be using half large white onions. Empty it in a bowl. So we'll be using 1 chicken breast for today's recipe. Slice your meat into pieces just like I'm doing in this video, and further cut it into pieces. So put your onions in the hot oil. Remember, the oil should be medium to low heat. Then begin to put your meat, already shredded meat, in the oil. Put your garlic, put your salt, your curry powder, and mix everything nicely. Give it a thorough and a nice mix. Continue to mix until all of the ingredients go round. So we're adding 1 Maggi cube to this recipe. Cover and allow it to steam for 5 minutes. Open it and stir it again. Here we are adding our already boiled spaghetti. Mix the spaghetti with the sauce nicely. Add the shredded green pepper, the green bell pepper, and add the shredded onions, white onion. Already you must have added the green hot pepper as well. Then add the shredded carrots and mix everything together. Mix it so that the whole ingredients will go around the spaghetti. Mix it nicely and thoroughly. Yeah, give it a nice mix. And cover. I like to simmer for like 3 minutes and the food is ready. So here I'm dishing this lovely food for myself. Guys, remember to subscribe and do not forget to click on the notification bell. Remember to like the video. Let me know in the comment section what you feel about this healthy rich spaghetti. Is it a yes or a no for you? So let me know. This is looking delicious and it's looking appetizing and it's very, very healthy. Yeah. This spaghetti is rich, it's flavorful, it's delicious, it's tasty, it's healthy. Mm. So guys, let me know if you be trying this spaghetti at home. Is it a yes or a no? It's so delicious and it's healthy as well. So guys, see you in my next video, besties. Bye.